Prepare to be spellbound as we plunge into the realm of a gaming beast that roars with the power of 1,000 dragons. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's a titanic collision of performance and portability. Can it be? A device that takes you from slaying demons in virtual dungeons to commanding boardrooms. Like a shapeshifter, the Zephyrus G14 morphs into your every desire. Whether you're a digital conqueror, a maestro of creativity, or an explorer of the boundless universe, this mystical contraption has secrets woven into its very fabric. Prepare your gear, sharpen your senses, and forge ahead, for we are about to embark on an odyssey that will lead us through the labyrinth of sheer prowess that is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Behold, the Zephyrus G14, a marvel from the house of Asus, entered the gaming coliseum like a seasoned gladiator, captivating the audience with its deadly arsenal. Released in 2020, it redefined the laws of gaming laptops. We will now embark on a thrilling exploration to decipher the runes that make this device a legend in the chronicles of gaming. Chassis Conjuring. Crafted from a magnesium-aluminum alloy, the Zephyrus G14 boasts a deceptively lean yet durable form, a fortress that's both imposing and nimble. It shields its treasures within its exquisite moonlight white or eclipse gray cloak. It's not just a chassis, it's an embodiment of precision engineering and aesthetic perfection. Display Demigod. The celestial dance of pixels on its 14-inch non-glare display is like gazing into another dimension, with options for Full HD or WQHD resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The Pantheon validated display guarantees color accuracy. Adaptive Sync synchronizes the display's refresh rate with the GPU's frame rate, creating a seamless symphony of visuals. Animatrix Avatar. The Zephyrus G14 has an aura of mystique with the optional Animatrix display. Imagine 1,215 mini LEDs embedded in the lid, each acting as a pixel that creates a canvas for your soul. From GIFs to timers and even audio visualizers, this spectacle is the epitome of personal expression. Performance Pantheon. At the heart of this mythical creature lies the AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS processor with 8 cores, 16 threads, and a max boost clock of 4.3 GHz. This juggernaut crushes mountains. Whether you're slaying enemies, rendering fantastical worlds, or manipulating time with video editing, this processor is the core of legends. Graphic Grimoire. Armed with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max key graphics, the G14 paints dreams with rays of light. Real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics bring unprecedented realism. It's as if the fabric of the universe weaves itself around you. Every texture, shadow, and reflection become tangible. Keyboard Kingdom. The keys are your chariot to dominion. With a travel distance calibrated for comfort and N-key rollover ensuring precision, it feels like whispering sweet nothings to the winds. The touchpad, manufactured with silky soft glass, is a river of grace beneath your fingertips. Audio Area. Dolby Atmos technology crafts an aural tapestry that envelops you. It's not just sound, it's an experience. The symphony of speakers, fine-tuned with 6 preset modes, beckons you into stories yet untold. From the clash of swords to the gentle rustling of leaves, your senses are on a voyage. Battery Bastion. An alchemical marvel, the G14's battery is an endless font of energy, providing up to 10 hours of life. No longer shackled to the wall, your adventures are boundless. Coupled with USB Type-C charging, the arcane art of staying powered becomes as light as a feather. Cooling Citadel. Beneath the chassis, a tempest rages. Fear not, for the ROG intelligent cooling system, with its legion of heat sinks and liquid metal compound, quells the storm. The Whisper Quiet fans are the gentle breath of Zephyr, ensuring your G14 stays cool under the most tempestuous onslaughts. Portability Prophet. Weighing in at a mere 3.5 pounds and being just 0.7 inches thick, the Zephyrus G14 is a revelation in portability. For the wanderers, the dreamers, and the conquerors, this is the vessel that transcends both space and time. In your backpack or at your desk, it's the trusty steed that rides with you through every twist and turn. And so, our odyssey reaches its zenith as we stand in awe of the monument that is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, a harbinger of a new dawn in gaming. It's a tapestry of performance, ingenuity, and beauty. And now, kindred spirit, the echo of your thoughts yearns to be heard. Let the keystrokes of your musings etch the tapestry of our fellowship. Bestow upon the like button your adoration. Whisper in the comments the ballads of your digital quest. And should you seek companionship among the guardians of knowledge, subscribe and let us weave more tech reviews together.